Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to day 55 dropshipping. So last video, we got Microsoft Clarity pretty much just to analyze our ads. We had no buying intent, but crazy good metrics for our advertorial from Meta. But the actual Shopify analytics were not looking too good. Our bounce rate was bad, so we did change the headline on the advertorial to hopefully hook them better, which it did work, and we did get some good data from Microsoft Clarity. And I did turn off the ads because I think my advertorial was too short and it wasn't persuasive enough to keep the reader interested. What I think I need to do is so basically I'll just break down the plan. So it's pretty much the weekend for me. I'm going into work right now. Once I get out, it is the weekend pretty much. So I'm going to be testing a longer form advertorial, and I'm going to be duplicating it. And instead of the product on the actual advertorial page, I'm going to keep one the same, and then the other one, I'm going to send them to the product page, and we're going to test different hooks, and we're going to double down on the angles. And kind of what I think the main problem is, in the advertorial, I was relaying the problems, but what I think I need to do is expand on them and really emphasize them and try to correlate them to something that the reader could understand, that they could like relate to. Like, yeah, this totally sounds like me. And if this person had the same thing that I have and it worked for them, then maybe I should try this product too. So basically, we just got to double down on all of our angles and really emphasize them and expand on them and tap into some emotions and make them really relatable to someone, to something that people can definitely relate to. And then we're going to be testing another product because this one, it doesn't have much buying intent so far, but I honestly don't have much data to go off of just because of the actual bounce rate. When we did do the new headline, our bounce rate did go down to about 80 to 85%. So it definitely did hook the readers, and a lot more people, well, not nearly enough, but we went from like 2% actually getting to the offer on the advertorial to 16%. So we definitely did a 8x there just by changing the headline, but I don't think there was 100 sessions to even, so there was no add to carts or anything, or no initiated checkouts, because when you click claim my discount, it skips the cart, goes straight to checkout. So technically, if you get one, you're going to get the other. So there's that. It's just tricky. And it's kind of weird how it's happening because we cracked the meta code. Like, I was just checking my analytics today because I did turn off the ads, and our cost per mile CPM went down to $25, which is insane. This is, we're running ads in the US supplement advertorial, and a $25 CPM, it's honestly crazy. It's unheard of. I've never heard of anything like this before. But that could be because somehow the pixel is targeting the completely wrong audience. One thing that I did think was maybe the pixel isn't on my advertorial page and it's not getting good signals to Meta. So I did have to double check that, and our pixel is on the advertorial page. There is code there. I did ask the Shopify chat thing, and it did confirm, and I got the pixel ID and I matched it. So there is that. I might be just get a new pixel just to see if CPMs are the same. I just really want to see if I am targeting the right audience, because this cheap of CPMs, $25 for supplement ads in the most expensive advertising country in the world, it's giving me mixed signals. So yeah, a little bit of mixed signals. But yeah, main thing is, if maybe I'm just tripping about the ads part, and maybe people are really liking these ads, because I doubled down on everything that I knew. I've been learning and improving everything every step of the way. So maybe I just made a good batch of ads. And now it's just a leaky funnel. It's like a bucket with a hole in the bottom while you're trying to fill it up with water. We're driving the traffic, water, but it's falling right through because our advertorial and our persuasive copywriting skills are just not there yet. So that's something that we definitely have to improve on. And instead of a short form advertorial like I was doing, we're going to transfer over to a longer form advertorial. That's what I was working on today. I did not get it done because I don't want to rush it. But it will be done tomorrow, and then we're going to split test, and then I'm going to make a copy of it into another advertorial, and we're going to split test headlines, and we're going to test claim my discount, which will send you to a product page, and then we're going to keep one of them the same, where the product snippet is already on the base advertorial. So I got most of the advertorial done. I just got really read through it a couple more times, see if there's anything that I can do better. I would say it's anywhere between a 10 and 15 minute read now. So it is a lot longer form. I will have to make a lot more graphics for it, just photos, which that's the easy part. The actual hard part is the actual copy. When people read this, are they going to want to buy this product? That is the actual hard part. So yeah, and then we're going to be testing another product this weekend, because one thing I realized is when I'm testing products, and actually once you launch the ads, you don't really have much to do for a full like 24 hours, unless your metrics are just that horrible. But for 24 hours while your ads are running, you got to wait to get data. So there's stuff we can be doing, besides that, and running more products, testing more angles. It's never going to hurt. Build another advertorial, test another customer avatar. It's never going to, there's no downsides to that. It's only upsides, really. So yeah, there's that. That's about it for today. Besides, if you live in America, you may have heard about smoke in the air from Canada wildfires, and I can confirm it is horrible. The air quality index, the worst it can get is 500. Right now it is 490. So yeah, it's pretty bad out here. It's just smoky all day. It's really weird, and it smells really bad. But yeah, that is it for day 55, I'm pretty sure. Thanks for subscribing. I have noticed we've been getting quite a few new subscribers, so yeah, there's that. If you guys do need any help with anything, drop a comment. I will try to help you out or answer your question. Anything you need, just drop it in a comment below. And thanks for all your support, guys. All the comments have been insanely positive. Not one hate comment yet, so that's good. I'm pretty sure. Well, it definitely is. Whatever. But yeah, that's it for today. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Hopefully, I can get this advertorial done tomorrow. Actually, fuck it. I'm definitely going to get this advertorial done tomorrow and turn back on the ads. And hopefully my persuasion and my copywriting skills are good enough, and we can start getting some sales and building up some reoccurring revenue. Peace.